To connect to a Wi-Fi and use a web browser on your PC, the first step you need to take is to turn on the source, okay, the Wi-Fi source. It can be a router, so turn on the Wi-Fi feature of that router or hotspot. All right, so once that is turned on, you'll be able to connect. Let's do it practically, okay? So here am I on my iPhone. So I want it to be the source of the internet. So I need to turn on the hotspot, okay, before I'll be able to connect to it through my laptop. So I will drag down from the top right. Then in this first section, the first group, I will tap there, all right? Then on tapping that, I will tap on Personal Hotspot. Okay, so this has been enabled. So let's get back to my PC. Then here am I on my laptop. So what I need to do here is to click on this area. All right, you can see where they have this internet symbol. Okay, so I'll click on that. Clicking on that provides me with some options. I look at this Wi-Fi icon. Click on the arrow that points towards the right. So if you are not finding the Wi-Fi here, the device name here, maybe it's a router, please just click here for it to refresh. So it will dictate that. Okay, I have refreshed and look at my device name here. That is GTech iPhone. That's the Wi-Fi here that I want to connect to. So I'll click on that. If that is free to air, what I mean by that is that it's free access. Okay, anybody can access it. It's not locked, all right, with any password. Just click on connect. So you'll be connected to that particular Wi-Fi within a short time. So with this connection, you can open your web browser. Okay, let's say I want to visit bbc.com. All I need to do is to type bbc.com and then press the enter key. So after typing that, I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard for it to search. Alright, you can see the page has now loaded. So with this, you can use the internet from the Wi-Fi. Then let's talk about another type of Wi-Fi you can connect to. That one is not free to use and it requires you to insert password before you could use it. For you to connect to that type of Wi-Fi, the first step is that you need to turn it on, whether through a smartphone, Android, iPhone, or a router. So once that Wi-Fi is turned on, you need to obtain the password because you need a password to have access. Okay, then after that, come to your PC and click on this internet icon. Then under this section where you have, which is Wi-Fi in this case, please ensure that it is showing blue. All right, just like this. If it's white like this, it won't work. So click on it for it to be in this blue color. So once you're in this state, click on this arrow that points towards this way and you will see the available Wi-Fi. If the Wi-Fi you want to connect to is not on the list, please click on this refresh icon for it to refresh and show you the active Wi-Fi that are around that area. Okay, then once you dictate that one, click on it and then you can uncheck this for it not to connect automatically and then click on connect. So if you request for that password, please type it in. So let me type in mine here. So once I'm done typing the password correctly, click on next. So this will get connected to that particular Wi-Fi. And you can see here, it has now connected to this particular Wi-Fi. So I can start using the internet on this device. All right, I can use my web browsers and search for anything I want to search for. Okay. I hope I made everything simple and easy for you. So consider subscribing and hitting the like button to learn more. See you some other time.